This drink could be both delicious and nutritious and will boost your health. Health isn't just a state of being, it's a daily journey. An ongoing process where every choice we make can bring us one step closer to our wellness goals. This drink does not only taste wonderful, but is also packed with a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's now enter the world of lemon ginger tea. A simple homemade brew that combines the zesty tang of lemon with the spicy warmth of ginger. It's a tea that's not just about taste, but also about keeping you healthy and hearty. It's brimming with vitamin C, antioxidants and fiber. So if you're in search of a refreshing and healthful beverage to incorporate into your daily routine, look no further to discover the wonders of lemon ginger tea. You might be amazed to know that an 8-ounce serving of unsweetened lemon ginger tea contains 0 calories, fat, sodium, carbs, sugars and proteins. A true testament to the fact that sometimes less really is more. This tea is a powerhouse of health benefits, thanks to its star ingredients, lemon and ginger. Lemon, a citrus fruit, is a fantastic source of vitamin C, known for its immunity-boosting properties. It also contains small amounts of thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, calcium, iron and magnesium. Ginger, on the other hand, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. It's packed with antioxidants and provides a small amount of dietary fiber, vitamin C, potassium, iron and magnesium. However, it's important to note that the traditional method of preparing lemon ginger tea, which involves dehydrating and boiling the ingredients, can cause some nutrient loss. But don't fret, even after this process, our beloved tea retains a treasure trove of these vital nutrients. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the extras. Yes, the milk, cream, sweeteners or any other additions you may fancy. While these can certainly enhance the taste, they can also alter the nutritional value of your tea. So if you're watching your dietary intake, be mindful of what you're adding to your cup. So there you have it, a simple cup of lemon ginger tea, with its 0-calorie count and wealth of nutrients, is a guilt-free beverage perfect for anyone looking to maintain their health. But remember, it's not just about what's in your cup, but also how you prepare it and what you add to it. In the following scene, I will discuss some precautions and potential interactions of lemon ginger tea. But for now, let's bask in the glory of this humble yet potent brew that not only warms our bodies but also nourishes them from within. While lemon ginger tea is generally safe, it's important to understand some potential precautions and interactions. You see, while ginger is known for its soothing effect on digestive problems, it can cause a bit of a stir for some. Some folks may experience bloating and indigestion. If you're one of these people, it might be worth considering other options for your health brew, or perhaps just reducing the amount of ginger you use. And here's a crucial bit of info for the ladies. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to seek some medical advice before including lemon ginger tea in your routine. While it's a natural remedy, it's always good to ensure it's safe for both you and your little one. Now let's talk about ginger's interaction with certain medications. Ginger is a bit of a superhero when it comes to the culinary world, but with great power comes great responsibility. You see, ginger has blood-thinning properties. So, if you're someone who's on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, it's best to have a chat with your doctor before you start sipping on this citrusy brew. And it's not just blood thinners. If you're on medication for diabetes or high blood pressure, ginger might interact with these too. So it's always wise to consult your physician before introducing any new elements into your diet, especially when you're on medication. While we're at it, let's also remember that adding extras to your tea, like milk, cream or sweeteners, will alter its nutritional content. So if you're watching your diet, be mindful of what you're stirring into your cup. So there you have it. While lemon ginger tea is a fantastic health-boosting brew, it's important to be aware of how it might interact with your body or any medication you're on. It's always best to enjoy lemon ginger tea responsibly, keeping your unique health conditions in mind. Remember, your health is your wealth, so let's treat it with the respect it deserves. Now it's time to learn how to prepare a refreshing cup of homemade lemon ginger tea. But before I reveal that anticipated climax, I have a small favor to ask of you. Go ahead and click on the thumbs up button to show that you appreciate this type of information. Then, after you are done watching this video, share it with all who you know and on all other platforms. This will help to share the knowledge. Also, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, then select all after clicking on the bell to subscribe to my channel and to get notified when new videos are posted. Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free, and you will learn how to live a healthy lifestyle by getting access to a variety of healthy recipes with step-by-step instructions on how to prepare them. You will learn about superfoods and their health benefits. You will also get educated on how to be aware of the signs your body gives when all is not well within your system. Take care of your health. Go ahead, make a comment. I would love to hear from you. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need a 1-inch length of fresh ginger, a lemon, and 4 cups of boiling water. The fresh ginger, with its zingy and spicy flavor, will add a wonderful kick to your tea, while the lemon will bring a refreshing citrus note. Start by slicing or grating the ginger. This process releases the ginger's potent oils and compounds, enhancing its flavor and health benefits. Once the ginger is ready, add it to your boiling water. Let it boil for 20 minutes. This prolonged boiling allows the water to extract the maximum amount of goodness from the ginger, infusing your tea with its unique flavor and health properties. Meanwhile, slice the lemon into fine slices, reserving a few for garnish. The thin slices will allow the lemon's juice to blend seamlessly into the tea, adding a touch of tangy sweetness. After the ginger has boiled, it's time to add the lemon slices to the mix. The heat will help release the lemon's refreshing flavor and health-boosting nutrients. Let it simmer for an additional 5 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld together, creating a harmonious blend of lemon and ginger. Next, strain the tea. This will remove the ginger and lemon slices, leaving behind a smooth, fragrant tea. Straining is an important step, as it ensures that your tea is clear and free from any bits of ginger or lemon, providing a more pleasant drinking experience. And there you have it. Your homemade lemon ginger tea is ready, but we're not quite done yet. Remember those lemon slices we set aside earlier? It's time to put them to use. Garnish each cup of tea with a lemon slice. This not only adds an extra touch of flavor, but also makes your tea look more appealing. Now take a moment to savor your homemade lemon ginger tea. Feel the warmth of the cup in your hands. Inhale the refreshing aroma and take a sip. Let the flavors burst on your palate, the zingy ginger mingling with the tangy lemon. Enjoy it slowly, allowing your body to absorb the tea's many beneficial properties. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, homemade lemon ginger tea is a delightful addition to your daily routine. It's not just a drink, but a celebration of health and flavor. So go ahead, make yourself a cup of this nutritious and delicious tea and toast to your health. Thanks for watching our video. Cheers to your health. Congratulations on learning a new, healthy recipe to boost your daily routine. It's quite a journey we've been on, isn't it? We've explored the nutritional value of lemon ginger tea, its potential health benefits, and even how to prepare it at home. It's a drink that offers 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 sodium, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, and 0 proteins, making it a guilt-free beverage. Remember, the traditional method of dehydrating and boiling lemon and ginger might remove some of the nutrients, but even in its final form, lemon ginger tea still contains vital nutrients. It's packed with vitamin C, antioxidants and fiber, making it a great addition to your health regimen. We've also highlighted a few precautions to keep in mind. For those on blood thinners or medications for diabetes or high blood pressure, it's crucial to consult your doctor before incorporating ginger tea into your routine. While it has soothing properties for many, some might experience bloating and indigestion. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also seek medical advice before using herbal remedies like this one. But let's focus on the positives. Regular consumption of lemon ginger tea can offer a refreshing boost to your daily routine. It's a delicious and nutritious drink that's easy to prepare and enjoy. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, it's a delightful beverage that can keep you hydrated and healthy. Now it's your turn. Give this recipe a try and experience the refreshing and healthful benefits of homemade lemon ginger tea. We'd love to hear about your lemon ginger tea experience. Did you enjoy the tangy and spicy flavor? How did it make you feel? Your feedback is what makes our community thrive. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, and every step you take towards it counts. So, take a step and try a refreshing cup of lemon ginger tea. Thank you so much for joining me on this fascinating journey about the health benefits of lemon ginger tea. Your presence and participation are genuinely appreciated. Do share your experiences, thoughts and comments with us, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones to inspire them towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards a healthier and happier life. However, please note that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. We all have different dietary needs and health conditions, so consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making major changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your greatest asset, so always make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution to health. What works for one person may not work for another. Use this information as a starting point and engage with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Stay tuned for our next video. But until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and never stop learning.